Morning, guys. It's 5:45 a.m. Day 2 of the Intracoastal Waterway trip. Let's do this. By Annapolis. Day 2 on the ICW. Good morning. Wow, you're gleaming. Mixed it by hand. See how it is. Are you putting the sail up?
It's right out a little bit. For a belt.
Trouble in paradise, guys. We have blown an engine belt on the left motor. Sniggity snapped. They fixed it in under 20 minutes. My Uncle Andrew is arguably the most handy person I know. 1,000%. Between the 3 gambles here, we got a good squad. Just finished the first official shift of the ICW trip. Thanks. Getting close to the next destination?
We are, Crisfield.